Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have got something that's actually different because I always say I'm doing something different, but no, this is different. So I have two sheet masks, but they are not for your face. I have a sheet mask for your boobs and a sheet mask for your butt. I don't exactly know how to do this video, but I saw both of these. These have little rainbows and clouds on them. These are by the brand Incredible. These are the Baddie Double Perks Smoothing Boob Sheet Mask. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So it says that you leave these on for 20 to 30 minutes. So we're just gonna get started with that first. And this is why I'm standing because, yeah, I have on a bralette right now and I'm gonna put these on. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit and I'm gonna tell you my experience of using a boob mask. So here goes nothing. So this is in collaboration with Baddie Winkle. If you don't know, she's the more mature woman. I mean, she's an older lady for sure. But she is so badass. She's got like Instagram going. She does like the funniest things. She's a really fun person, so I encourage you to go check her out. So this is in collaboration with her, and we have little boob sheet masks. Oh, okay. So I'm wondering, I actually have some pasties and I'm thinking maybe I should put those on so that maybe I can show you guys what these look like. Maybe. 1 second. Okay, so I have these pasties from Empress Mimi. So I'm just gonna put them on. These are really cool too because they actually have a soft area right here so you don't, you know, have to like rip your nipple off from your pasty. Man, this is a different video and this is different content. Wow. All right, back to it. So we've got our little sheet masks. It looks like you put these like above and around. These are just like fiber, by the way, so there's just like a lot of regular sheet masks. I didn't know, I kind of envisioned it being more of like a gel consistency maybe. But yeah, this is cool. All right, we're here. Let me see, let me look a mirror real quick. Okay, so I'm making sure you can't see any nipple, like everything's covered up. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Gasp. Okay, so here are the you can tell I'm not like an exhibitionist type person. I'm not a prude, but at the same time, like, I don't usually show my boobs to people. That's really all there is to it, so let's not linger over that sight. Now we have a butt sheet mask. This one says it's for only 10 minutes. So this is a brand called Body in collaboration with Sephora Collection. And this is the niacinamide and papaya butt sheet mask. It is plumping and firming. They have two masks, like one for each cheek. So I feel like I should put on a thong. Man, this is an in-depth, like, personal video. Hold please. These are like really getting dried out super easy. So like, there's hardly any moisture left in it. So I don't know if my boobs were just dry. Like, I didn't think my boobs were dry. But anyway, I do feel like the area is moisturized. This is really fun, especially like if you're game to take a little picture. It took me forever to get a couple pictures that I thought were like okay, like showing the mask without looking like a trollop. These pasties are super cute. They're from Empress Mimi. I don't know if I said that before, but so freaking cute. Okay, so now it's time to try out the butt mask. It says it has papaya, niacinamide to firm and rejuvenate, balancing and purifying witch hazel, and soothing. Okay. It says it's formulated with 2 powerhouse vitamins, C and B3, that will help brighten, revive, and firm. It will leave your skin plump, dewy, and perfectly hydrated. It says from sweaty legs to sitting down for hours, your butt skin goes through a lot. That's true. It's as sensitive as the skin on your face, so it's about time you show it some love. Is that true? This is cruelty free as well, if I didn't mention that. Yeah, both cruelty free. Oh my god, it says share your butt fee, like selfie but butt fee. I don't know. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So it feels like it's gonna be the same material. It's just like butt cheek shaped. That's, I mean, she's got some size to her, so I guess this is going, oh god. This is so weird. This is fun, but it's also kind of weird. I think I got it. Remind me to never do this video again. All right, here's the other side. That one said love. Love it. Love it. So here's our other side. it's on there. It would be so much better if I had actually gone to the gym 5 times a week like I had intended all, you know, winter, spring, and summer long, but it's okay. This one's definitely not as cute on. That's what it looks like. Like, it's got the little illustration right here. I may try to get like some sort of picture, not like full on, you know, ass. This is so weird. Anyway, I may try to insert like some kind of picture, tastefully. I don't know if that's possible. Obviously, I don't think these are like super serious, but I do think these are really cute, really fun. I don't know that I'm gonna be like running out to buy more of these, but they are really cute. If you're someone who is like, yeah, I wanna take care of my boobs and my butt because, you know, they're my best assets, then, you know, go for it. I think these are really cool. I like that they're cruelty free. They don't cost a lot of money. I actually kind of like this one, but I do feel like there's no way I could have left this on for like 20 or 30 minutes because it was like popping up everywhere, like it wasn't sticking, and it's even like falling off my butt. I should probably go like lay on the floor on my stomach, you know what I mean? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. If I'm able to take a decent non-horrifying picture of my backside, then I will insert that now. But I hope you guys had fun with this little video. I know it may not have been something you expected, but there you go. So there's the boob and the butt mask. Let me know what you think below, if you would be willing to, you know, go out and spend 10 bucks and grab one of these or not. And that's it. I hope you guys like this. If you want me to test out more weird stuff, if you see some things and you're like, oh my god, no way, she needs to try this, drop that in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you know of my future uploads, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.